Oh my gosh, I'm so late. So we're just gonna pack up some stuff, put in... Okay, I can't do this with one hand. Oh my goodness. Probably don't need that. Blah, 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 blah. Water, water, water. Okay. Okay, I am super, super late. But, so quick intro. This is another day in my life at UCLA. It's spring quarter edition, and sorry I'm talking really fast. I'm trying to grab some shoes. Oh, found them. But yes, I'm supposed to meet my friend right now at Bplate, so let's just go there and I'll explain later. So this is Bplate, my favorite dining hall at UCLA, and this is my friend Hejin. We were just catching up over a meal, and today they were serving a vegan taco, and I just put some fruit on the side, and I also had more food. And at UCLA, you're not allowed to take your bags into the dining hall, so you have to put them in these lockers, and you can choose a code for yourself. But yeah, she's just taking her bag out of the locker. So get ready to look at a lot of walking, because as a student at UCLA, you do walk a lot, so that's just what's happening right now. And also there are a ton of hills on this campus, so just be prepared to walk up and down a lot of hills, and you can actually look at it as a positive thing, because if you're a student here and you're walking around so much, you technically don't gain as much weight because you're exercising a little more and you're going up and down hills, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is the dreaded long hill to get to the hill, quote unquote the hill, meaning all of the dorms and dining halls. And just a fun fact that you can see, this girl has a UCLA Adidas backpack, and when I see students with this backpack on campus, I like to read what sport they play just for fun. So these are the students who are sports players at UCLA, so it's pretty cool just to see what they play, you know, but not in a creepy way. And it looks like I'm walking really close to her, but I promise that I wasn't walking that close, I think, from what I recall. It also looks like I'm following her, but I promise you I was not. So yeah, just wanted to clarify. And we are about to enter South Campus, where all of the STEM classes are. So that's your science classes, math classes, and all that fun stuff. So this is just a tunnel to get to South Campus. And it's a given here that South Campus is not as pretty as North Campus, but South Campus is home, so welcome to South Campus! So on this particular day, I was trying to get to office hours for LS23L to talk about my lab report, and I could not find this building. So yeah, I'm a sophomore using this UCLA app that is a map of the entire school, and it's pretty cool. It's like a GPS for UCLA specific buildings. So this is me trying to find it. I literally walked around in an entire circle around South Campus to find it. And this is me in the wrong neuroscience building. So yeah, the struggle is real, guys. I'm lost right now. I don't really know where to go. And I finally found the correct neuroscience building thanks to my handy dandy app. So if you guys go here, or if you're going to go here, especially as a freshman, I use this app a lot. You can even track where your specific location is. So yeah, I can leave a link down below to how to get it. It's totally free and it can save you in times like this. Okay, after a lot of unnecessary walking, I finally found this place, and the staircase is kind of sketchy. Oh wow, that goes up really far. So yeah, I'm at the, I'm so out of breath because I just walked, and it's pretty hot outside. But yeah, I'm going to office hours right now, so I'm not going to film that because that's pretty awkward. So I'm going to put you in my backpack.
Yeah. So, yeah, and also, you took statistics though, so you probably are more comfortable with it, but especially,
I'm pretty sure the p-values.
Okay, so I usually recommend.
I just want to make sure, because
yeah. Well, okay, that's okay. So what's the T? 0.283? Okay, so then you find it, okay, so
10 out of 10 would recommend going to office hours. So after office hours, I had to go to my lecture for LS3, also known as Intro to Molecular Biology, but I had a little break in between, so I'm just going to what they call the bomb shelter, and this is where a lot of people just hang out and chill or eat food or talk to friends, but I decided to do some work. So this is my laptop, and as you'll see in a little moment, I saw my friend walking off to the side, but she didn't notice me, so I yelled her name, and you're about to see that in a few seconds. Maya! Hello! Are you done with class? So this is Maya, and I met her through one of my first year roommates, and I'm actually rooming with her next year in an apartment, so I'm super excited just to get to know her more, and yeah. So this is me going to LS3 right now, which is in Lacrette's 110, where most of the life science classes are. And I actually take this class with some of my friends, and they actually don't know that I have a YouTube channel, which means that they don't know that I put them in this video. So they were really confused why I was videotaping them, so you'll see their confusion in a few seconds. I also included clips of my professor talking in lecture, so yeah, just to give you an idea of what a college lecture looks like for biology.
I mean, they can be.
Wait,
It's like not focusing.
I don't understand like what you're doing.
In a solution that contains a radioactive molecule, for example, radio-labeled phosphate. The cell will utilize that phosphate in normal processes, and it will actually basically, if you incorporate phosphate, if you have it in the media, it's going to incorporate it into its own molecules. And when it synthesizes phage, those phage will also be labeled. And so if you grow E. coli in the presence of radio-labeled phosphorus, and you infect those E. coli with bacteriophage, the protein capsid that surrounds the phage is also going to be radioactive because it's the E. coli cell that is synthesizing that itself. So they did that to actually radio-label the entire protein portion of the phage They took another set of E. coli and just told you about proteins and what you already know about DNA nucleotides. Which one of these would you use to label DNA to discriminate it from protein? Would you use hydrogen?
So after lecture, I went straight back to Bplate to eat some dinner because, as I mentioned, it is my favorite dining hall and I love it. Everything is so fresh, and it's known as the healthier dining hall, which I really like. I just think it tastes the best as well. So yeah. And this is what I got. It may not look that good, but I promise you it's delicious. Their steamed broccoli is amazing, and that was basmati rice, which is my favorite. And this is some tea that I made. And after dinner, I studied and did some work. So this is just what my desk situation looks like. And I'm about to turn on the light because it's a little dark under here. So I'm going on my laptop, and this is Launchpad. So most of the life science classes at UCLA require you to purchase a Launchpad account, and this is where the professor assigns readings and assignments. And I really don't like it, but that's okay. And I've moved on to do my LS23L lab report, so I'm looking at an abstract for an article that I can use in my lab report. And yeah, this is me kind of trying to get some words together to form paragraphs. And of course I had to get my headphones ready, which you'll see. And Spotify is my life, and I'm pretty sure a lot of college students love it as well. I mean, not even college students, like everybody. And I love Discover Weekly. I think it does such a great job at choosing songs that you like. And so that's what I'm listening to right now. And this is basically all I did the rest of the night was study, or try to finish up some work. So I tried to do as much work as I could, and I tried to study some more and study as hard as I could that day, and then I went to sleep. So that's basically all I did for that day, and I think I'm going to end this video here. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this second day in my life at UCLA as a second year, and I'll see you guys in my next video.